Best thing about fostering, this can sound so cheesy, but is the young people that you meet. They are so brilliant and funny and clever and resilient and charming. My name is Kira Pritchard McLean. I'm a stand-up comedian, writer and foster carer for my local authority, and we have been fostering for around about 5 years now. We decided to get into fostering because we're both really passionate about young people, especially in our local area. We felt like we had a lot to offer. We didn't want to have biological children, but we wanted young people in our lives. We could share our home with fantastic young people. It felt like a no-brainer. People often ask me about the balance with my life as a stand-up comedian who goes on tour and being a foster carer. They don't really understand how it can work. But one of the amazing things about entering this process is realising what a broad church it is in terms of your lifestyle and your, availability. We kind of go, this is what we can do, and hopefully that sort of fits in with what the young people need. Even though, I will go on big tours of several hundred dates, we kind of make it work. Lots of people are worried when it comes to fostering that maybe it's not right for their lives or they're not right for it. But one of the great things about it being kind of a long approval process that's quite involved is you will never get to the stage where you're sort of out of your depth, because there's a load of experts around you deciding if it is right for you, if you are able to do it, and maybe there's areas that you're not strong in. Well, that's where they give you training. So you've got a team around you to make sure that you are exactly the right person to do it.